benchmark fractions right now. Alright? First of all, benchmark means a number that you need to know in this case. So when we're talking about fractions, you're talking about fractions that you need to know. So somebody read to me the definition that I wrote. Anthony Velasquez, nice and loud.
Recognize these fractions are also a form of
Simplified. What number is underlined there, Julie?
simplified.
Okay, simplified. What word do you hear when I say simplified, Kayla? You hear the word simple. Talk to me about what the word simple means. Anthony Polo.
Easy.
Means easy. In fractions, it means at its lowest form. The fewest number of pieces. So when we're talking about the fewest number of pieces, which part do you think we're talking about? The numerator or the denominator?
The denominator.
The denominator, very good, because it tells you the total number of pieces. Okay, so what I'm going to do to you is I'm going to point out, and I've made up a chart. I've made up this whole page you're going to want to keep. You're going to want to staple it into your math journals, and then you're going to want to refer to it. And then what I'll do is I'll make a poster of it so it's in our classroom. But what good's a poster if we don't have it? 1 is 25 cents, so there's your decimal value, 1/20 or 25/100. Look at 2/4. What do I have in parentheses next to the 2/4? Timmy, over here. What do I have over 100 to 100 over 100? Notice what did I put above the 100 over 100? That it's a what? It's a whole. Because if you have something broken to 100, you take all 100 of it, you took the what? The whole thing. So, there's the decimal value for that. Now, it always tricks you guys up for some reason. Alright, so these ones, you know, right? You can underline. These ones, you know. What are they? Your what? No. What's the fractions that I just underlined?
So.
The what? Somebody speak. I just heard you say it. The tenths, right? They're your longs. Good. Here's how you, look at the ones that I now have starred. Look at this one. It says, somebody read me that fraction. Diana.
What?
The one that I circled, read for me.
1/4.
Awesome. Because you looked at what it said. And that's what's so important. This 1 over 4, this 1 on top of 4 nonsense is done. Look at how you read this. 1/4 or 1/4. Why do you think I wrote 1/4 there? What will it remind you? Yes.
So what are you learning about today?
Oh, okay.
We're learning about equivalent fractions, and you have to break them up into equal pieces.
And why is that important?
Wrong.
For
50 hundredths or 5. 10. Bingo. Good. Let's go on to 2 over 2
when
now.
you get
Did I say it
older.
right? I was doing whole class instruction using benchmark fractions and finding their decimal values.